What is up, special agents? Today is voting day or election day. I hope you went out there and rocked the vote, and I'm feeling pretty awesome. So I thought I'd head over to Wendy's today and get this totally sawesome burger, dude.
It's a powerful trank gun on the market. Huh. Got her in Mexico. Cool. Yeah, it is cool. They say it could puncture the skin of a rhino from 100. Ow! Oh! Oh! Yes! That's awesome!
All right, let's get started. I've been really curious about this sawesome burger. Man, it is coming down outside. I guess the storm was coming in. You know, I got a new phone, and the phone was actually telling me that there was rain coming in like in 15 minutes, and I think it was right on schedule. So yeah, I got a new phone. I'm excited. I hope that the video camera works a lot better, and I don't have the freezing that happens typically on some of my other videos. I've had to actually take the audio and the video and like line them up again because it would be out of sync. So I'm hoping that this phone doesn't overheat and cause these issues that I had before. So hopefully a little better quality for y'all. So yeah, we got the sawesome burger from Wendy's. I've been really curious to know what this is. I mean, in what I've seen in ads, it looks like it's like a Big Mac sauce. So let's see, I'm curious. I haven't really been paying attention to what other people have been saying about it, so I don't know what that sauce is. Let's get a closer look at this. All right, here we go. Close-up of the Wendy's sawesome bacon. A nice, shiny, soft bun. We got apparently lots of pickles, onions, and what looks to me to be sawesome sauce. I'm such a dork. We got lettuce, and let's see what else we got in here. Oh yeah, 3 nice thick strips of bacon. That looks delicious. We got the cheese, and we got Wendy's signature square patty. 1 patty. I got the single, so I am a double guy. I usually get the double, but I thought just for trying this out purposes, I would get the single, and we see if we like it. So there you have it, a close-up of the sawesome burger from Wendy's. Smells good. Let's take a bite. All right, let's dig into this sawesomeness. Oh, I'm dripping. I love that thick bacon. That's pretty good. I'm not unable to pinpoint what the sauce is really like. Try a little here. I'm not really sure. It's kind of sweet, a little tangy. It's not like Mac sauce. What is that? That's a good burger. I would definitely get this again. I'd get the double. What is that? This is the Wendy's secret sauce now. It's pretty sawesome. I can't stop saying sawesome. How many times am I going to say sawesome in this video? Count how many times I say sawesome. And yeah, and comment down below. I need some comments about how many times I said sawesome. Man, this is a tough sauce. I need more of it to figure out. it's a combination of something. I mean, I would think that there's probably some mayonnaise in there. It almost tastes like a French dressing or something mixed in with mayonnaise. Could it just be a mixture of ketchup and mayonnaise? I don't know. I'm not sure if Wendy's tells us on their website or not, but I'm going to go check after this video. And if they do, I'll put it in the description. Otherwise, it's the mystery sawesome sauce from Wendy's. I don't know. It's a combination of something. I think, I mean, it's pretty runny. It's not thick like mayonnaise. It's more like a salad dressing consistency. I wonder what it is. Bacon. Yeah, the bacon on this burger is delicious. I wish I could figure it out for you guys, but I'm not really sure. You have to head to Wendy's and try it yourself. Let me know what you think. What your diagnosis is of the sawesome sauce. I'm going to go with it's some sort of combination of like mayonnaise and ketchup, or mayonnaise and French dressing, something like that. I mean, I guess it could be some sort of combination of no. It's not Thousand. I was gonna say Thousand Island, but Thousand Island usually has like chunks in it. This has no chunks. It's liquidy, but it's the color of Thousand Island dressing. So I don't know, but it is good. It's delicious. I love it. Yeah, get over to Wendy's, try this sawesomeness, and I'll catch you later. Ah, crap! I dropped something in the car. I'll catch you later. I'm gonna go clean the car now. Bye.